Alright, let's go ahead and see other type of the Matplotlib plots. So we are going to see first of all histogram. Thereafter we will see there the scatter plot. So for a histogram, we are going to see there the rating histogram data. Alright, so I write here plt.hist, and if you put the cursor inside that and you get here the details. So this is going to be our data which we want to plot. I pass here the data and then I pass here the rating, and for this we are getting here histogram. So this histogram says that there are movies. For most of the movies we have rating which seems like above 6.3 to almost the 9. So the majority of the movie ratings are falling in between somewhere here. There are few instances where movie rating is around 3 or less than 4. That we can verify here. There is a movie which sits around like 42 or 43 rank. Their rating is quite less, that we can visualize with this histogram plot. How would you make sure that these bars are actually how you can control these number of bars there? Those are known as number of bins. If you pass their number of bin is as 10, that's how you can see there. And if you pass there the 20, now you will have more granular level of the control there. Now you are seeing there these things are getting printed. That's what I was saying in previous lecture. If you put the plt.show, then that will get removed simply. Other than that, you can change here the color by putting the age color is equal to, let's say I put here a red. Now these age color will be there the red. Otherwise I can put here as white. Now you see there these age color are now being put it as the white. And you can also put here the color. If you put there R, that becomes the red. Otherwise you can also put there the orange. Now it becomes there as the orange color. Alright, that's how you can see the histogram plot. And in the previous lecture, like we had done previously, like you can set there the title and so many other things. Like I can set here the plt.x label. I set that one X label. On the X label, currently we are showing here the rating, and plt.y label, and on that plt.y label we can say that this is the count, because for most of the movies this says that the number of counts. For example, the movies which have rating around the 7, there are 7 movies, and similarly the movies which are in between 6.3 to 8, those counts are like 5 to 6 movies are there. Because you see there the consistently there are many movies which are having the ratings in between 6 to 8. That's what we can verify with this histogram. Then we say here the plt dot title, and then I say here as the histogram plot. That's all you need to do here. Now you have here a count, you have here rating. I'm sorry, this is rating, this is rating, and that's how you can do this. Let's go ahead and see how you can do the scatter plot. For a scatter plot, it is again very simple. But for a scatter plot, I want to see the number of votes and movie rating, how it is distributed together. For example, you have your data. In this data, we have there the, let me just see it here. In this data, we have their rating and the number of the people who have voted. So for these we are going to analyze with the help of the scatter plot. So for a scatter plot, I can simply do here the plt dot scatter, put a cursor inside these parentheses. You see there we need to pass here x data and the y data, and for this scatter plot on x data, I want to put here the number of votes there. So I put here something like this, and for y data I want to put here the rating there. Just go ahead and plot this. Now you see there as the rating, as the number of votes are increasing there, seems like the number of rating is also increasing there. Seems like there is a relation. So for these type of the data analysis, you can use these kind of the plot. And other than that, I'm going to use here some red color for our these, the dots there. And the same thing we can do like we have done earlier. So these things we can simply set there, and based on our the selected X label and the Y label, and there I set here this is the odds, and there you have the rating, and this is scatter plot. That's how you can do this. Now you have here a very beautiful scatter plot here. Let's go ahead and see how you can do the box plot. So the box plot you can use to visualize just univariate data, that's mean a single variable. Like here the plt dot box plot, and in this box plot I'm gonna provide here rating data. And if you just see this box plot, thereafter I see here the plt dot show, and in this box plot it says that how much rating we have here. So generally it says that whenever you have this the middle line that says that this is the median rating. So seems like the median rating for our movies are around the 7, which you can verify with this. So seems like median rating is around 7, and other than that this says that the maximum rating, and here it says that the minimum rating. But when these circles are falling out of these box plot, then it says that these are the outliers. So seems like there are two movies which are being treated as the outlier, this one and this one, because these are drastically changing the ratings, and these are not falling in the line of these in the line of these ratings for other movies. So with the help of the box plot you can identify that what type of the data are being treated as the outliers. Similarly, like we had done previously, you can put there the x-axis, y-axis and the title labels there. Finally, let's go ahead and see there the bar plot. So for bar plot, I'm going to visualize here the genre of the movies and the rating of the movies. So in the data, like here you have in this data, we have here a genre, and based on this genre, we are also going to find out the rating. So the genre wise, what is going to be the average or mean rating for each genre? So for that, I need to get here the genres first. So I write here the genres is equal to, I mean to say that I need to first get the mean rating for each genre. So for that, I need to first do here the grouping between the genres. So I write here the data dot group by, and here I need to do the grouping of the genre, and then I need to get the mean of the rating. So with the help of this, I get the mean of the rating. Alright, just a second. So this is the genres. So this is going to do here the group by, and then this will do there. Just a second. It seems like I have missed that column name, that is the capital letter. I have written there in small letter. So these are having average mean rating for each genre there. Now you see there it is not sorted. That means we need to sort it here. So I need to write here sort underscore values, and I write here the ascending equal to false. That's mean I need to get the largest values at the top. Now if I run it, seems like something is wrong here. Okay. Alright, so these are coming at the top. So with this, I'm able to see that adventure, drama and sci-fi movies are having high rating. Comedy, drama and music is having second highest. Biography and drama is third highest, and then we have drama, mystery and the sci-fi, and then finally action, adventure and the comedy. So these are having rating, mean rating above 8. Let's go ahead and plot some of these ratings, or you can say in fact top 10 ratings. Now I can do here the plt dot bar plot. You put the cursor inside this parenthesis, you see the details of the bar plot there, and in that now I put there the genres, and inside this genres, that the index is going to be this one, the genres, which is being treated as the x-axis. I say there take the top 10, and then I say here the genres dot values. The values are the mean rating. I'm going to take here the top 10 rating. Let's go ahead and plot it. Now we have here our rating. So these x ticks are overlapping to each other. Let's go ahead, first set the color. So here I would like to set the red color. Red doesn't seem good. Let me set it orange, and then I need to rotate their x-axis. So I write here the plt dot x ticks. I need to say that I need to rotate these ticks there. So plt dot x ticks, then you have here the rotation is equal to the 90. That's how this works. Now you have here the rotation is equal to the 90. You can set it to any value, whatever the value you want, right? Maybe the 90 is better choice here. After doing all these things, you can simply write here the plt.show. Now you are able to see here the bar plot. So in this bar plot, it says that adventure, drama, sci-fi have a highest rating, and it is in decreasing order here. And similarly, like we have done previously, you can set there the X level, Y level, title, and many other parameters. Alright, so this is all about in this lesson. I'll see you in next one.